Hey, welcome back. It's Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe is an informative one. Happy New Year 2018, and I'm going to talk about fat. With New Year's resolutions? Come on. Well, whole food fats are the best. If it comes from nature in its original form, always going to be healthy. I'm going to teach you how to cut an avocado. Sounds easy, but it doesn't always look that easy. First, let's wash the avocado, remove the stem, use a paring knife or a butter knife, whatever you feel most comfortable with. Cut it in half lengthwise, twist the avocado. Now the core. Strike the core with your sharp knife. Oops, it didn't work. Let's try it again. Careful. Success! Yay! Fingers intact. Awesome. That's always a plus. Okay, now make diagonal cuts with a butter knife or once again your paring knife. Just don't cut through the skin. You can make it look nice if you're going to, spread it or top it on a salad, however you want to do it, but this is so you can make it look good. Beautiful. Go ahead, use it how you want. Now, if you don't really want to do anything with it except for smash it up, cut it on the diagonal. Again, doesn't have to be pretty. Give it a squeeze. It'll come out super easy. No problem. Smash it up. Use beautiful fresh ingredients, and here you go, an awesome guacamole. And of course, always have it with gluten-free chips and a margarita. My favorite. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps or inspires you to have a healthy 2018. Please share your comments and recipes so I can see how you made it your own. See you soon. Bye.